So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source, cross-platform and runtime environment for executing JavaScript on the server side. So earlier we used to use JavaScript on the browser side, but now with the help of Node.js we can execute JavaScript on the server side. We use Node.js to build backend services called APIs or application programming interfaces. So those services are used by client application. So what is client application? Client applications are nothing but a simple UI, you can say, or what user sees, what user interact with. So those uh, applications are cannot perform any operation. So they need something, they need some services to perform some operation like storing some data in the database or sending some email or push message. Okay, so Node is the ideal for building those high scalable and real-time backend services. And the biggest advantage of learning Node is if you're a front-end developer and you know JavaScript, then it's very easy for you to learn Node. So in the next video we are going to look the architecture of Node.